Hi everybody, this is Dr. Almandalawi. I'm an oral surgeon at Illinois. I got introduced to StellaLife 5 years ago when I went to Pikos course, and since that time I used Stella for all my patients. It was a great product that increased the success of surgeries, make the healing faster, reduce the pain medication use. Overall, I think that's a great product to increase your success with complicated surgery or like any regular surgery, any oral lesion. Actually, I use it personally for my daily use. And a lot of my patients, they come and they ask for StellaLife to use it as a daily mouthwash. Definitely, it's something that you have to you consider to use for your patient to increase your success in surgeries.